You didn't know? In this video, how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. Affiliate marketing is when you market other people's products and you get a commission. People are always saying how you can get started for free, but the truth is you need software. There are a few things you need for affiliate marketing, and you can spend $300-400 on it, or you can click the link in my description after watching the video, or it's actually $70. All of this value you're going to get for $70, but other places are going to be $300 to $500 for the same value. Okay, so let's jump inside. I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing. What you're going to need landing pages. You're going to need email marketing. You're going to need auto-responding email campaigns. Let's stick to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you the number one reason why you're not going to make money online. If you want to know the number one reason why you're not going to make money online after watching this video, there's a free trial in the description, and there's a free course for affiliate marketing in the description. Everything's for free, but to get the software, you're going to have to invest a little money. So, but if you want to know the number one reason why you're not going to make any money, stick to the end of the video. Okay, let's get right inside to the value. Okay, here we are in Builderall, my back office. Now, like I said, there's 30 apps in Builderall, but affiliate marketing, now you're going to market someone else's product for a commission. So you're going to need a couple of things. You need a landing page. You need a way to capture emails. You need a way for email auto-responding to send out emails on a regular basis to retarget your leads. And there's a bunch of other apps on there to help you engage and make your offers more enticing. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop down menu. We're going to go to the apps. So they have over here, the builder. So over here are the builders. You got the old Pixel builder. Now we got a lot of landing pages on that site with that builder. And now the new Cheetah builder is really the fastest website. It loads the fastest. You can go on Google and search what's faster, ClickFunnels or Cheetah or WordPress, or I think it's got like a 96 or 98 rating out of 100. So those are the type of websites you can build with Builderall at the price that I told you, $70 instead of $500 for everything. You're going to get everything you need in one package here. So you get the two things, and I'm going to show you over here is the Cheetah, and they have all kinds of templates. Now this is stop smoking template. It's already built for you. If you're going to do the stop smoking niche, and it's already built for you, all you got to do is put your affiliate link in there. All right, and they have every niche that you want. They have niche funnels. Let's go to the niche funnels. Okay, martial arts, dental cleaning, auto detailing, dog grooming, martial arts, everything, photographer, mechanic, stop smoking, like I said before, music teacher, delivery service. So no matter what your niche is, there's going to be a website that you can adapt, and they're all cut and paste, drag and drop. You can change the photos, you can change the colors, you can change everything, and it's very simple. And if you wanted to build it from scratch, there is step-by-step instructions to build it all with panels. Okay, so another way to do it, now I told you need to capture emails. So over here they have a lead magnet page, and they have all different, in every niche they have a lead magnet page where you can capture email. Okay, so this is the stop smoking niche, but no matter what the lead magnet page was, whatever you were giving away, they would put in their email and their name, and they would go right to your email list. Okay, so now in Builderall, I told you now that they have the apps over here. Now we need the email marketing app. Okay, so we're going to go to what's called Mailing Boss. Okay, so we're going to go to Mailing Boss. All right. Now, Mailing Boss, I have email lists, and when they go on the list, when they go into the lead magnet and put their name and put their email on the list, they get put on. Let's say now for one of my funnels is the affiliate marketing for beginners. So when they go onto that list, automatically they get an email. All right. And then it goes into the autoresponder. Builderall's autoresponder with Mailing Boss. With this every day for a week, they're going to get an email from me. okay, stating what they want about this funnel and what they need and why they want it and everything else, building value. And you can send them an email for every day for 30 days, whatever you want to do with it. And that's where you make your money on retargeting. So you're gonna collect their emails with affiliate marketing, and you're gonna retarget them. So far with Builderall, you've used website builders to build a website, to build landing pages, and then you've also used Builderall's Mailing Boss email marketing to make a list and to retarget. Okay, so you're seeing the value. Now, for the value in other places for this is $300, and you're spending $70 just for Builderall. Now you see the rest of these apps that they have, and they had all the builders. Okay, and they also have a WordPress integration. If you have a WordPress site, you can transfer it over. E-commerce, if you could Shopify type stuff, if you do drop shipping and stuff like that. If you do any kind of webinar stuff, you've seen the lead magnet webinar to drive people into the sales funnels, chat builders. If you want to do a course, I have a free course in the description. You use this to make it. E-learning, app builder, Builderall directory. This is all the builder apps for Builderall. They have engagement apps, the professional messenger chatbot. Facebook Messenger marketing. They have a chatbot for that. ShareLocker. Now, ShareLocker I have over here. What happens in the ShareLocker? Okay, so this is the ShareLocker. Okay, so the ShareLocker very simply is this. I was running a free plus shipping offer for sunglasses. They were gonna pay like $7 shipping for these $1 sunglasses, and I was gonna send them for free. And but in order to get it to go viral, what you want to do is you put it in the ShareLocker. So this pops up, and they say free sunglasses, and before they get a chance to see what it is, it goes boom, and that dog pops up and blocks the picture, and it says share the love, and you have to like and share it on Facebook so that all their friends are going to see your offer, and then all of their friends are going to see your offer, and all their friends are going to see your offer, because they all want to see the free sunglasses, and they're going to share it on Facebook, and that's how things go viral. It's very, very, very powerful for free traffic, okay? And then you get it free with Builderall when you get in all the other apps, okay? There you go. Okay, so that was the ShareLocker. Okay, so then you got social proof pop-up. So when you have your website, you ever see on a website when something pops up and says so-and-so from somewhere just purchased or just joined or just signed up? That's social proof, and that's an app that you can have. That's from Builderall, you get it for nothing. Website bots, okay, that's interactive, automatic. People can interact with your customers and your people on a website. Social auto post for website, for social media to auto post stuff. Instagram autoresponder, you got a Facebook autoresponder, you got the Instagram one. Messaging, script generator. I want to go over the script generator because you probably said to yourself, Jim, email marketing. I want to be an affiliate marketer, but I don't know how to write emails. I don't know how to make websites. I don't know. Script generator is going to automatically write emails for you, converting emails. It's going to write sales pages for you. It's going to write articles for you. It's going to write everything for you. And so hold on a second. Let's go over here. Okay, so what happens is you create what's called an avatar, and an avatar is your ideal customer for your niche, and then you generate a script, and you'll pick some things. You'll choose your niche, you'll choose your avatar, and you'll choose your script: internet marketing, coaching, speaking, health and fitness, sales funnels, whatever it is, and you would click it, and you would get let's say I clicked on affiliate marketing, and I would get email scripts, niche scripts, headline scripts. If I wanted to do some emails, I would hit the email, and then I would get cold prospecting emails, flash sale emails, and you would just keep, whatever you want. Let's say I wanted a cold prospecting email, and boom, that fast. No editing involved. There's your email. Boom. Okay, so that comes free with Builderall. You're going to write all your emails. You don't have to worry about it. Now you have a copywriter. Copywriting, you could also sell this as a side gig on Fiverr. Check out my other videos on how to sell apps on Builderall and how to make money with Fiverr, because all of these things you can use You can make people websites. You can set up email marketing for people. You could do copywriting for people. I mean, the sky's the limit besides using the tools for affiliate marketing. And there's so much more. Stick to the end of the video because I got so much more value to show you. All right, hold on 1 second. Okay, so that was the script generator over here. So now you're going over to the design apps. Now, like I said, there's 30 apps. Look how much value is here. Now, stick to the end. I'm still going to show you why you're not going to make any money. After all of this value and all of this time you spent, why aren't you going to make money? Stick to the end of the video. So here we are with the design apps. Builderall Unlimited Magazine Builder. It's a very, very good magazine builder. It's like basically an online magazine, and it's very, very good for marketing. Okay, Mockup Studio 3D photo editor, animated video builder. Animated videos are very popular. Transparent floating videos are very popular too. Video wrapper is kind of like when you do a video and put a frame around it where you could put like some kind of saying or words or something like that. It's good for Facebook and other social media. Now the video tag tool I use, I want to show you that one. So this was a Facebook ad that I had, and this here is a tag that goes on the video, and when they click the tag, it's going to automatically send them to an email that they can automatically email. But I could also send them to a phone number, I can send them to a website, or I could do no action, and it would automatically be on the video. So you don't have to worry about Facebook putting a link onto anything. They can automatically click the link on your video and send you an email. And that's an app that you get with Builderall for free. Okay, I mean, when you get all of this value for $70 a month, when just from ClickFunnels you're just getting the website builder for $100 a month, and if you want the email marketing and the whole 9 yards, you're spending $300. All the other apps, every one of these apps costs $20 to $50 a month. You're saving so much money with Builderall. So let's go back to the apps. Okay, so we just showed you the video tag tool. Okay, video funnel builder, I wanted to show you the SEO on-page report. This is crazy stuff. Okay, I was ranking websites on page 1 of Google with this. You can also sell this as a side gig on Fiverr. SEO on-page report. So you go to there, and you're going to put in your website, what keyword you want to rank for, and they're going to tell you how to rank. Okay, you're going to send it, and they're going to tell you, they're going to give you a report, they're going to tell you how to rank on Google. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it gives me an A grade. Keywords, there's 18 on the page, 2 in the title, none in the URL because I don't have a custom URL. You can remedy that pretty easy. 4 in the meta description, none in the H1 tags, none in the H2 to H4 tags, 5 in the body, and so on. Okay, over here is going to give you the critical overview, 4 for 4, 7 for 7, 7 for 9, 10 for 11. These are things you can change. And down here it's going to tell you, it's going to give you check marks on the left, the things that you have, and open boxes for things that you don't have. So we're going to come down here, and just to show you, I told you that we don't have any keywords in the H1 tag. There's no box checked here, so it says read more. And it's going to tell you what to do in order to remedy that, and it's going to help you to get rank on page 1 of Google. Now that's the SEO report. Okay, so Builderall has an affiliate program. You wanted to learn how to be an affiliate marketer, so Builderall has an affiliate program of its own. Now the premium is $69.90, but you can get a free program. You can get one for $29.90. I think there's one for $40, but the premium to get all the tools is $69.90, and you could be an affiliate for Builderall, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make a lot of money. Now, besides using the tools, the 30 tools that Builderall has to make money, you're also going to use it selling the Builderall, because people are going to want to sell Builderall when they find out what you're doing. They're going to also want to do it too. Okay, so how many sales can you make in a year? So out of the people that I bring into Builderall, how many sales can I make? Let's say that I'm not a very good salesman. Let's say I can only do 1 sale a week. So I make 1 sale a week in a year. So if I make 1 sale a week in a year, that's 52 weeks in a year, right? And you're making $1,000 a month. This is residual income because recurring billing program. They pay $69.90 a month. and you're going to get $1,000 a month once you have 52 sales. Now, out of those 52 people, how many of those people would want to sell Builderall too? Because you get it's a two-tier system, so you're going to get payments off the people that come in under you. Just the two. It's not multi-level marketing. It's not craziness. Okay, this is to help you support the people below you, to train them, to help them. So if you come in under me, it's in my best interest to help you learn how to do it, show you where all the training is, so that you can become successful too, because I'm going to make money off of you. So how many affiliates out of the 52? Now, I would say that'd be like half. But let's say it's not. Let's say it's like 16. All right, which is like, so there's the 16 people in your circle. Here I am. Here's the 16 people around me. They're on my team, 2 tiers deep. Okay, now out of those 16 people, how many sales can they make in a year? So now in that year time, I made 52 sales. Let's say that they're terrible. They're worse than me. Let's say they make only 1 sale a month, and that they make down here 12. All right. They make 12 sales each, and now this is in a year period. Nothing happens overnight. This isn't, overnight success. You're building a business. It takes a year's time. Sometimes it takes more. But in a year's time, if you make 52 sales, 16 people agree to join you, and those 16 people make 1 sale a month, you're going to be making $5,000 a month residual income coming in without you doing anything else. You're making residual passive income, $5,000 a month. And as you can see, this is very conservative numbers. Okay, so I mean, and you got to realize you're using the Builderall platform and the 30 tools to make money, as I just showed you. Okay, so like and subscribe to the channel. Get Builderall. Take the 14-day free trial. Do it now. What do you got to lose? All the training in the world. Okay. Now that you've sat through the whole video and you've learned a lot, you want to know why you're not going to make money online. What's the number one reason why people can't make money online, why people fail? The number one reason people fail online making money is lack of action. Okay, people do not take what they just saw and act on it and put it into action. And then, I mean, not for nothing, people get discouraged and quit after a month, 2 months, 3 months. You need dedicate a year to 3 years to building a business. I mean, it's a business. You're building a business. Okay, so take time, take effort, get training, get Builderall.